welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change avatar profile on a Mobile Legend apps. Now let's get started. First, open your Mobile Legend apps, and then if you wanna change avatar profile at your Mobile Legend profile, you can click on the profile icon at the top. In here, click on it, and after this, if you wanna change the profile, the avatar profile, you can click this one, your avatar picture, click on it, and after this you can click on the change avatar, this one, and then in here you can change with this one with the cartoon on Mobile Legend, or you can edit the photo. You can add your photo and then click edit in here, and then after this you can click or take a photo for take your picture, or you can click album photo for add the photo that you want to add. Oh, okay. So I wanna change with maybe on this one, click on it, and after this you can click on the replace. Sorry, you can click on replace and finish. The avatar profile has been changed. So that's how to change your avatar profile at a Mobile Legend apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.